This is a short tutorial on how we calculate confidence interval in Excel. You can find plenty of such tutorials on YouTube. You may also want to read your textbook that describes. So our first example is we want to calculate confidence intervals for results of iron determination in a sample. To do that, we'll use Excel functions. So step number 1, open Excel spreadsheet and enter your data. You want them to be readable and large enough font to have no problems with understanding. We will need the following functions. For mean, function is average, and you highlight all your data. Then standard deviation, stdev, again you highlight your data. It's very easy to count that we have 7 numbers, but if you have more, to avoid miscalculations, we want to use function count, say number of points. Next, manually enter probability of error. In Excel it will be 005 if you want 95 probabilities. So 95 probability of success, 5% probability of error, or 005, like this. From here, you want to calculate student's coefficient using tin function. Student's coefficient is calculated using probability of error, so this number will be in F7. And then second parameter is count -1, so you give reference to your count result and subtract 1. You have your student coefficient. Now you calculate the expression student coefficient, multiply by standard deviation and dividing by square root of n. We need function for square root, which is sqrt, and it will refer to number of points. After that, we calculate lower and upper limits of confidence interval, which will be mean minus this number and mean plus this number. You'll have this interval. Your resulting page will look like this. You have your intermediate calculations and you have your final calculations of interval. So the answer is confidence interval is 1724 to 1747 or 172 175. Why cut off the last digits? Because we had our starting point just 3-digit numbers with 95 probability. Alternatively, can be written in such format, plus minus, whatever you feel more understandable. Second example. Calculate the same confidence interval using data analysis tool pack in Excel. That's much faster. Personally, I prefer this option. You need to go to window data, and here you'll find data analysis. Now, if you do not have it on your computer, you need to install data analysis tool pack. It is always With your Excel, you just need to go and install it on your computer. You already have it downloaded and it sits there. When you click at Data Analysis, you open Descriptive Statistics option here. And when you open it, you see such a window. So you highlight your cells with data and put them into input range. You put some empty cell as output range. You select summary statistics and confidence level for mean, and you enter 95, which essentially is default number. Then you click OK. Now you'll receive such output with lots of numbers. Many of them are unnecessary. In column 1, we need only two numbers, mean and this confidence interval data. Lower limit will be mean minus interval. Upper will be mean plus interval. Your resulting page will look something like that. Of course, you can skip all these windows altogether. So you'll have upper limit and lower limit. Your results will be, of course, identical to what you have calculated before. It's exactly the same result, just calculated in different fashion. You may want to add some formulas to make your output beautiful.